Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves, and today I'm sharing with you my October makeup basket. So these are all products that I am focusing on and using during the month of October. I can dabble in my makeup collection here and there as I would like, but these are either project pan items, older items, specific items I like to use every day that I like to have all in one bag for me on my vanity. So if I want to get ready really quick, these are the products that I focus on. So if you're interested in seeing what I am doing in my October makeup basket, then keep watching. So we're just going to go in the order of application, and the first thing I like to do is put on primer. This primer will probably be used up by the time this month is over, but I'm definitely repurchasing this exact same thing. This is the Milani eyeshadow primer. Color I have is 01 Nude. I'm not even sure if they sell other shades, but Nude works perfectly for me. I have it underneath my eyeshadow every day. Helps my eyeshadow last throughout the day, helps with any discoloration. So if you're looking for a drugstore affordable eye primer, definitely check this out. So if you have been following me this year, you know I've been planning to pan that palette, Marc Jacobs Scandalous eyeshadow palette, and I have used quite a bit up, definitely more of the darker colors as they flash there. But if you're interested in seeing my full update how I use this palette, I will link it up above in the cards. But this is continuing on for October. Really excited about that, and I'm pairing it this month with my Essence Witch Side eyeshadow palette, and I have hit pan on one of these shades, spoiler alert, but this is just a really nice like palette to pair with that, especially for October and just what I've been doing on an everyday basis. So I have those in there. Sticking with eyes, I have two open liquid eyeliners that I like to have in there. One is my go-to all the time, my Stila Stay All Day liquid eyeliner. I use Intense Black. That is what is on my eyes, I'm pretty sure, today. And then I've also been using my NYX Epic Ink Liner. I have a video comparing the two up in the cards if you are interested. I have a favorite for sure, but I'm continuing to use both these. I'm not going to just throw one away, if you know what I mean. Also have a nude eyeliner. This is the Essence Gizzy Glide and Waterproof Silky Nude Liner, and I don't use this all the time, but when I want it, I want to know where it is. So it is always in my makeup bag. This is perfect to go in your waterline right underneath your eyelid, so it helps brighten up your eyes, make your eyes look a little bit whiter, brighter, awake. So check this out if you're interested in looking more awake. Then the mascara I've been using is the Essence Bye Bye Panda Eyes mascara. I've actually really been enjoying using this lately. I do find that it does clump up a little bit or flake off a little bit throughout the night or throughout the day, but it really has been doing a good job at coating my lashes, keeping the curl of my lashes, and kind of making it a little bit more volumized. So I have been enjoying this mascara lately. The foundation or tinted moisturizer that I've really been enjoying is in a project pan. I don't know, is that project pan still going on? I'll link it, the last update or finale, in the cards. But this is the Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydrator, so you can see where my marks were. But I do have a full demo and review I can link in the cards as well. But this is, I've really been enjoying it. It's what's on my face today. I just wish it had some more sunscreen in it, so I have like a double duty product, but I've really enjoyed it. I don't think I'd repurchase it just for the fact of I love my Smashbox Skin Ready BB cream. It has SPF 30 or 35 in it, so I'll use that, and now I have that extra sunscreen protection, but I've really been enjoying this. To set it, I use my Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder, and yeah, I'm almost done with this, guys. I probably have one or two more uses of this thing. I do have a backup of it that I'll put in here once done, but this is my favorite just for setting any kind of foundation, BB cream, things like that. Super affordable, and with how quick you can go through powder, it's really good to find an affordable one. Concealer, the Tarte Shape Tape Double Duty. This is in the shade Light Neutral. Love using this. When you use it, apply it on the back of your hand and then dot it in the various places. This is probably going to be done this month too. It will definitely be like a makeup empties for sure for the month of October, which is exciting, but sad because I have to repurchase this stuff. So cha-ching, if you know what I mean. But I love this stuff. Highly recommend you guys check it out. My blush, it's what I'm using now. It was in my favorites video, the Essence Mosaic Blush. I've been talking about this for so long here on my channel, but I've really been enjoying it, and I have so much paint on this. I just want to use it up, even though I'll be sad, but I love this. It's what I'm wearing on my cheeks today. I'm really, really enjoying it. Highlights, I've been using the Becca Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm still using it. I have hit Major Pan on Champagne Pop, which is what I like to apply on my cheeks. It's on my cheeks today, as well as topping on my eyeshadow in the inner part of my eye. I'm using this every day, really enjoying it, and gonna continue probably doing that same thing for the month of October. And then before we get into lip products, I wanted to talk about my eyebrows. I've been using the Winky Luxe Unibrow pencil. This came in a FabFitFun box, and I didn't think I was going to use it, and I've really been loving it. It's just really easy to kind of apply into your brows. And then what I really like about it is the spoolie brush. It has just, I don't know, it's so soft and thick. It feels so good to kind of brush out your brows with it. I've really been enjoying using this. It's what's in my brows today. And then lastly, I have 3 lipsticks in here for you guys. One is on my lips now, was in a favorites video, and I'm obsessed, guys. This is the Nude Sticks Intense Matte Lip Pencil, or Lip and Cheek Pencil in Kiss. It is what's on my lips now. Why I love this is it is mask proof. So I can apply this, go out on, run an errand, go put a face mask on to go to a restaurant, take it off, and my lips don't have any weird smudging, like clown face, anything like that. This has been doing a really great job at kind of keeping my lips looking how they should be looking. I love the color. I love the matteness of it, but it's really creamy. Dries up, but it's not too bad and like feels weird on your lips. Highly recommend it. If you've tried any other colors from this, let me know. I'd love to try out more colors. And then I have my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick. I used up the deluxe size one recently, so now I'm excited to pull out the beautiful full-size baby right here. And this is just a staple go-to for me when I don't know what to put on. I don't want a super bright pink lip or a red lip that I will mention down below. This is my go-to. Love it. I love the packaging. I love how creamy it is. Just a perfect everyday shade. And then lastly, for red for October, you have Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche in Maple, and I've really been enjoying wearing reds a lot lately too, especially for date nights to kind of amp up your look. And Bite Beauty has some really good lipsticks if you're interested. Natural ingredients and just a really great brand all around. So that is everything for what is in my makeup basket for the month of October. Let me know what products you are loving in the comments down below so I can check out some new products to maybe add, or if you're using any of the similar products, I'd love to know too. We could be twins. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm